guys are ready?
Yeah, hey yo, this goes out for my homies out there. Hey, get your ass up. Ladies and gentlemen, hear this. Yeah, feel this. Back to the track, flipping the pizzazz of my life. Hip-hop is my life, lots of fabulous is what I am. Everybody's jealous of me when I rap, but I'm just rapping for my lady. Those 6,000 miles apart, keeping on my way every breath I take. Bigly telling me the guy used to be gain every same right. Keep fighting this emptiness and loneliness, keep following me. Everything I did make me reminisce her. Probably never mind when other girls are going crazy. So my soul I'll sit there, you soaking the one of the gallon. Now I feel like the world's upon me. All I see is nothing but misery, but I ain't give up. Cause nothing gonna diminish you, and just no one to replace you. Oh, here I go again. I'm fresh up, can't make my rhyme shining longer, but I don't want this to end tonight. Let my words count, and I'll do my very last breath. Let me have to enforce you. Got to know that life ain't already seems so sweet. It's kinda hard with you not around. Wish I could turn back the hands of time when the two of us, you and I. Gotta love, you don't have a million home like me. Get it, yeah.
My love for you is dead lives. Cause Chevalier argument is just break it up. You can't understand. So the police just call you out when you know a real life. You just hate it out again, hate it anymore again. Get off shit. The love that I have for you should be until my last breath. Please never let me go. Where the phone show my life should never end. Every morning I think of you, girl. Please turn it back to me. For the crowd that just saw me in the biggest past when I'm like this. In this lonely won't get you understand me, girl. Even though you find a better way, but I can't get you out of my mind. To know how I keep fighting till the end. You know what I'm into you, damn. Wanna be with you, wanna make you laugh, make you life. Appreciate it all the way you treat me. I feel it's like number one in my life. Hold on tight, wanna kiss and hug you, yeah. Sometimes it's like going crazy, cause you are my life. Every time passes by, I love you more and more. Every tick-tock on the clock, I miss you every now and then. So be careful and faithful to me, girl, yeah.
Out, yeah. As you start listening, hear this. Got to know that sometimes I feel like shit, but still in my heart is real. Keep it back.